You've probably seen in some of my other videos where I put headers directly above the door or window. But that is the old school way, and frankly I am old school, but I'm going to show you the modern way. First I'm going to build out a wall with my sill plate about 10 feet long. Then I'm going to put in some 8-foot studs. I'm going to copy the sill plate to the double top plate and move one stud to the other side and then fill in with studs in the middle. Now let's just say our door is going to go between two studs. It doesn't matter what the width is, the principle is all the same. I'm just going to remove one of these studs, and then I'm going to create a 2x10 header from stud to stud. Then I'm going to create jack studs on either side of the frame by copying one stud to the inside. Then I will push the jack stud down just below the header. Now you can fill the cavity with one or two more headers if they're required, or insulation. Here I'm just going to use insulation. Now I'm going to cut out the sill plate in the door area. Now I'm going to measure the rough opening of the door and put a framing member just above that point. Then I can copy that up just under the header. Then I will insert a cripple in the normal stud layout. And there you have it. All of the downforce will be applied along the length of the header and down to the jack studs, not on the cripple.